In case we have used the 2017 version so far, but we want to switch to 2018 and we want to move all of our saved objects, materials and styles to the latest version of the program, there are two ways to do it. The first option is to select the 2017 version at the very first launch of the program when the program automatically offers the import. If we fail to do so at the first launch of the program, the second option is that we can open the dialog on the Open and Save tab of the settings using the template import wizard. We may need to change our computer or we would like to pass materials or objects to our colleague. The easiest method is to create an environment package. This command has new features in ARCHLine.XP 2018. We can save and scan any user data that is supported by the program in a single file. Supported data includes the user-generated material library, style library, objects created by the user or downloaded from the internet, and all user settings, for example line types, sans settings, views. The command is available in the Settings, Open and Save tab under the Environment Package button. In the pop-up window, when you select the typical option, the program collects all the user data into a single file. If you want to filter more precisely, you have to select the Custom option. When clicking on one object or on a category, you can save all the objects and materials in it to one environment package. In this case, you need to look up the object or texture you want to export from the Design Center and click on the cogwheel icon in the top right corner. Then, in the drop-down menu, select Export. The selected elements will be exported to the folder we have selected on the computer. The extension of such files is Environment. With the drag and drop method, we can easily import the environment files into the program. We just have to drag the desired file to the program window from the computer's folder. A system message will appear informing us about the successful import. The import command can also be accessed from the Settings, Open and Save tab after selecting the Environment Package command. Of course, the environment package file that was saved in 2017 can also be imported into the 2018 version. If there are elements in this package that have the same name as an existing one, the program requests confirmation for overwriting. If this package contains styles, the program does not overwrite styles with the same name, but copies the non-conflicting files to the user category. After importing, the program must be restarted. New features of ARCHLine.XP 2018 include the Styles tab on the left. When you start an element creating command, the Properties panel automatically switches to the Styles tab. Here you can switch between all the styles of that specific element without interrupting the command. Here you can find all the styles which are originally in the program and those we have saved. After selecting the style, you can easily edit it using the pencil icon in the upper right corner. The style we created will immediately appear in the Styles tab, saving time during the workflow. Newly created styles are only stored in that specific project. If we want to use the new style in our every project, we will have to copy it into My Styles. To do this, right-click on the style name and from the pop-up menu, select Move to Template, My.